CORSAIR Champion Series products are designed for and tested by top esports professionals, helping to carry you to victory with a competition-grade keyboard featuring a portable and space-saving Tenkeyless form factor, a detachable USB Type-C cable, and a tournament mode switch. CORSAIR AXON hyper-processing technology transmits your inputs to your PC up to 8x faster than conventional gaming keyboards with 8000 Hz hyperpolling. Take on the competition in style with a durable aluminum frame illuminated by fully programmable dynamic per key RGB backlighting to sport your team's colors or create your own personalized lighting effects. Flip the tournament switch and focus on winning those critical games, automatically swapping to distraction-free static backlighting and disabling accidental macro activations. Precision-molded PBT double-shot keycaps with a standard bottom row layout resist wear, fading, and shine, with 1.5 mm thickness for rigid stability. Top reviews from the United States. Great for gamimage. My previous keyboard was a Aorus X7 Red MX Cherry. I loved it, but during repeated cleaning the keys didn't hold up too well, which was fine cause I just put a little glue on them. My left shift switch ended up dying and then I bought the K70. I love the keyboard. It's amazing for gaming. The only downfall so far is that the silver switches are super sensitive, so when using the board for typing I've been having to delete extra characters pretty often, but I am sure I'll get used to it. The USB-C port is recessed into the keyboard about a ½ inch, so I wouldn't be worried the port being damaged. The raised switches are definitely a bonus for easy cleaning and not having dust and grim build up under the keys like my Aorus. Oh, and there's no goofy retention springs across reshift, enter or spacebars which have failed on my other boards. Lighting is amazing and has everything I need in a board. Complements my dark core as well.